If you've lived in Incline for a while, you may have driven by or even ridden your bike by and always wondered, what's behind this gate? Welcome to Incline Village, Nevada at Lake Tahoe. We're here at 775 Fairview Boulevard, an expansive 10-acre estate offering privacy and panoramic lake views. I'm Kevin Donovan.
I'm Megan Parr-Warren.
Carrie Donovan with the Donovan Group, luxury sales team at Chase International in Incline Village.
This one-of-a-kind custom home is just under 9,000 square feet, situated on 10 acres of incredible privacy and expansive panoramic views of Lake Tahoe. Upon arriving, there's a beautiful entry and a meandering water feature that wraps all the way around the property. Tucked into the hillside overlooking Lake Tahoe and the Sierra Nevada mountains, this refined and exceptionally well-built custom home, completed in 2001, is nestled into the landscape situated on 10 acres. Upon entering the front door, you're met with panoramic lake views, accentuated by the 16-foot peak ceilings in the great room, showcasing unique architectural elements. A large stone fireplace sits between the great room and the dining room. Skylights illuminate the main level with natural light. The home was constructed with sustainable building practices, using only reclaimed timber. No healthy trees were harvested to build it. The first level offers main level living with a primary wing on the same floor as the great room, office, kitchen, dining area, mudroom, and a breakfast nook. The color palette in the residence is made up of shades of sage, taupe, rust, gold, sand, caledon, and cream. The primary suite includes a built-in hot tub room with doors that open up to the lake, transforming it from an indoor to an outdoor space. A large deck faces southwest, perfectly situated for all-day sun exposure and incredible sunset views over the lake. One level above is a spacious loft and fitness area, including lots of extra storage. Just under 9,000 square feet, the home has 6 bedrooms, 5 full bathrooms, and 2 powder rooms. You can see the lake from every room. Privacy and separation are key, with guest rooms being downstairs on the lower level, as well as a game room, a movie theater, wine cellar, wet bar, a poker room, and a laundry room with a dog wash. An attached in-law suite has 2 bedrooms and a full kitchen and living area, with a separate entry and access to the garage, perfect for extended family and pets. Every part of the home is perfected for comfortable everyday living. The estate setting is enclosed by 2 gates, opening to an oversized horseshoe-shaped heated driveway with ample parking for guests. There are 2 garages with 5 total spaces. There is an outdoor sports court. The grounds are decorated with elegant yet natural-looking landscape with plants and shrubs native to the Sierra Nevadas. If you'd like to schedule a private showing, please contact the Donovan Group luxury sales team at Chase International.